Field scouting is one very important thing that we do at our house. This year was the first year that we decided to do pre-seeding field scouting, just to check to see how the weeds were doing. There wasn't any pests yet, but just mostly check on the weeds. We do have an agronomist that comes out here, and I often go out with her and check our fields as well with her. We find this very helpful to know if the weeds are dying with the herbicides that we are using, or if it is not dying. It's just to get your ground ready for seeding. So one thing that when we are out in the field checking, what we do is we do this feet square, where you take a foot by foot by foot by foot, and you count how many plants are inside of this foot square to just see how well your crop is doing. We're going to do this in my winter wheat, and for winter wheat it is usually about 30 plants per feet. So we're going to do that right now and just see how good it is. This will kind of tell us how well the crop is doing, because if there is a lot more than 30, that is very good. So I'm just going to get my tape measure down here, and I'm kind of just going to mark it with my finger of where to go. Ooh, hard ground. And because our rows aren't quite a feet across, we need to have both rows in the foot. We're just going to count one row though, because then we can just times that by 2. Okay, I'm going to count this right now. Okay. So when you count the plants, you want to count right down at the root. You don't want to count these leaves up top. You want to go right down to the root so you know that you're just getting that one plant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 5, 36, 37. So there's about 36 plants in our foot here. And because both rows go into the foot square, that means we have 72 plants, which is very good. A normal winter wheat field, or what you root for with winter wheat, is about 30 plants per foot, so that is excellent. We do field scouting all throughout, once we seed and all the way through. Very important when the insects are out to make sure you got the right pesticides, because sometimes that can be an issue. It has really benefited us to do this field scouting, and I think we will keep doing it as long as we need to.
Okay, hello, my name is Sarah Stewart Rogers. I'm the agronomist with Blair's Fertilizer out of Nokomis, and I'm here with Brooke today. We're going to be assessing our plant counts and just the overall health of this winter wheat crop. So first things first, when we come out into the field, we want to get an idea of what our population is like, especially after a winter, and want to see how well we're going. So this crop is coming up really nice. It's looking really good. We've got a pretty good idea that it's going to be fairly successful. So we're just gonna take a look at how many plants we have here. So I have just a piece of wooden dowel. It's a foot long, and I want to basically get an idea of what my population is. So I'm going to just lay this down beside the row and just count what my plants are here. And then I'm also going to take a look at the growth stage of the plant. So for wheat, you generally stage it by how many leaves there are and whether or not there's any tillers present. So for here, it looks like we have about 3 leaves and 1 tiller. So we would established that as a 3.5 leaf in our stage, and so that's really good. They're looking really healthy. We've actually already applied our in-crop herbicide, so we've got a number of weeds that are already dying here. So we've looked at these weeds here. We've got some cleavers that have died off, which is really good. We've got some stinkweed, some sow thistle that are dying, and also our volunteer canola has been taken care of as well. So basically that's what we do when we kind of come out into the field, and then we'll give a detailed report and give that to the farmer once we're all done. So yeah, just assessing the health. This field looks really good. I think we'll be really happy with it, and we've got a good establishing foothold on the weeds, so there's nothing really to impede the growth of the winter wheat.